Hey guys, I want to do a quick review of my tripod setup that I have for doing all my videos. So it is just simply a microphone stand is all this is. It's about 35 bucks on Amazon. So this telescopes here. There's a locker right here so it goes much higher. And this arm, you can also loosen this and loosen this, and it will collapse, or I think I have it extended all the way right now. But anyway, on a microphone stand, it's commonly a 5/8 male thread. So to adapt it, there's a little $4 item here that takes it to a 1/4" thread, a common size for a camera or a DSLR. And then what I did here was put on just a universal ball adapter. They're about 20 bucks on Amazon. It's really heavy duty for what it is. I was pretty surprised with it. You just loosen this to change the angle, and then attached to it, sliding on that shoe there on the base of the mount there is just a $10 metal adjustable phone holder. I don't know. I don't think I've ever bought that brand before, but it seems pretty solid. There's nothing that can go wrong because it's just manual screw in, screw out type of thing. There's no spring-loaded cheapos like some of them you get to mount in your car. So it's worked really good. It seems pretty solid. The benefit of doing this and not attaching it to your table is when you're showing things, for instance, if I shut my lid, it's going to move a little bit but it's isolated from your table. So you're not going to get the wiggle in your video, which is super helpful. This is just a cheap $40 USB light. It's got a pivot point here that you can loosen, and it goes every which way. Before I was just using like an incandescent, just a 40-watt bulb. This is only drawing 7 watts. It's pretty decent. I like the stand. The only bad thing about this model, that in my mind, is it's a silly USB adapter. So it only draws, 7 watts, I think, through that. And this thing gets warm, so I think they could have done a little bit better there. But it does have adjustable temperature and brightness. So it turns on at full bright, and you can turn it way down. Let's turn it all the way back up, and I'll cycle it through the modes just to show you. So you can go ultra light or cool temp. There's medium, and there's warm. So you get 3 different flavors, light temperatures. And that's pretty much all I've been using to do my videos with, and it's worked out really good. So when I have my camera or my phone mounted like this, and my laptop sitting exactly right here, I can, instead of having to switch to screen share software and edit and put it all together in the editor, you can just flip your screen up and record it, normal. It's pretty decent. It's not bad at all. As long as you don't have your glare off your screen. You have to have your light turned in the right direction, but it's worked out really good. I'll probably upgrade later on, but for right now, this is all you need to do YouTube videos. So hope this helps you dudes. I'll put my links for all this in the description. Throw me a thumbs up if if it helped you in any way, or if you're going to give it a shot, and I'll check you guys on the next video. See ya.